Hi everyone, I am Michael, a digital avatar created by the Serbian Euroactive volunteers, and today I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create your custom GPT for any purpose. This video was recorded as part of the Erasmus Plus training course AI in Youth Work organized by Positiva Samobor. This is what you need to do in order to create your own customized GPT agent. First, you need to open the ChatGPT. This is easy so far. The next step is to click on your profile icon and then go to My GPTs. Create a GPT in order to create your new GPT. As you can see on your left side, now you have some spaces to fill in. We use Notepad here to prepare everything in advance and just copy it. Let's start. Give it a name, any name you like. We use the name of the Erasmus project we got as a task. Give it a name, Youth Futures. Now give it a description of its task, add a short description of what a GPT does, less than 300 characters. Try to be as specific as you can. Now this is the most important field. The instruction, you should answer the following questions. What does this GPT do? How does it behave? What should it avoid doing? And add all other relevant information. We designed out GPT to use the information provided from the project, Youth Futures, empowering young changemakers through digital and green skills to suggest our participants study paths, internships, entrepreneurial ideas related to digital innovation and sustainability. When it comes to knowledge, we decided to upload an Erasmus guide. After that, we chose the default capabilities for our custom GPT. Choosing a photo is optional, and we decided to let it choose a photo for itself. For this model, you don't need new actions, so we clicked on Create. You can edit your GPT anytime later. Now, our custom GPT is published and we went to try it out. This person likes graphic design. Here are the suggestions for their career possibilities.